Today I'm going to be reviewing Wild Organics Yohimbe 4-ounce bottle. I'd like to thank Wild Organics for sending this to me to review. This is actually what it looks like right there. Just a little dropper. Just go ahead, you get one serving with the dropper. That is what it looks like. The taste, I don't know, man. I've actually never had Yohimbe that tastes good. It is sugar-free, barely palatable is what I would say. It leaves a weird little aftertaste. But if you're looking for Yohimbe, I think you're going to get that in no matter what brand you get. Each serving has 5 milligrams of Yohimbe bark, good for overall health. There's other things that this is used for. You can look them up. So the big question is, why choose Wild Organics? All their supplements, 98% absorption in their tinctures. This does pretty good on Amazon. It gets 4.3 stars. I like to see 4.4. I think some people with the taste, that might be an issue. Others have said it doesn't work. It just looks like most people are liking it. It's not something that gets returned. It's an Amazon choice. So in any product, you're going to see those in the reviews. Last month, October 2025, 300 plus of these have been sold, and they sell a bunch of different supplements. So if you're looking for Yohimbe or any other product, take a look at Wild Organics. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.